office?
Same office, Lorin Taylor, yes.
Okay. All right. Are you ready?
We are.
Okay. We're on the record, Your Honor. Okay, good morning. In the matter of versus case D. Please turn your camera on. And I see Ms. Weil. Good morning, Ms. Weil.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your bar number?
12298 for the plaintiff. She is present.
Okay, very good. Ms. You're also on Blue Jeans. Wave to me. I don't know. I can't read. Okay, very good. Thank you. All right, and Ms. Taylor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lorin Taylor, bar number 14958, on behalf of was also present.
Okay, good morning and welcome everybody. So we are here for a status check regarding the review of CPS records. We were here last on July 20th of 2021. And I note that I did review the CPS records. Has everybody else had an opportunity to review them?
Yes, Your Honor. Well, I think there was just one batch that was sent, but just this morning, Ms. Taylor and I spoke. She received a letter, or I guess Ms. did, from CPS. The charges have been unsubstantiated and they've closed the case. I don't know if the court's aware of that.
I was not aware of that. That was not included in the copies of the CPS records that I reviewed. So there wasn't a disposition in the batch.
Well, I think what happened, Judge, was that you got at the time that you received, the court received the court record or the CPS records, the case was still being investigated. We just didn't get the follow-up. But again, we have no dispute as to the case being closed and that there was a finding of unsubstantiated.
Okay. All right. Very good.
But in the meantime, Your Honor, we have reached a complete settlement.
Oh my goodness, that's outstanding.
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
You could have led with that, Ms. Watt.
I don't want to jump on your toes, Your
No,
Honor.
I'm just joking. That's wonderful. Good job. So tell me.
Just so you know, Your Honor, I've spoken a few times with Ms. Taylor. We both agree that these parties don't need to be in litigation. They just had an evidentiary hearing, full-blown, back in 2019. And we feel what's best for the child and these parties is that we appoint a parenting coordinator and get them out of the courtroom.
Okay, I think that's an excellent idea.
So we have discussed and we both reached out to Corinne Price.
Okay.
I haven't heard back from her, but Ms. Taylor and I will also talk about alternatives.
Okay. Excellent.
Okay. So we're going to do that. We've also agreed that this family needs counseling, family counseling.
Okay.
And that would include mom, dad, and who is 7. And that we'll usually pick a therapist, and the parties will equally pay for that.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. request for makeup time, that will be addressed by the parenting coordinator.
Okay.
We'd like to vacate the evidentiary hearing that's set for February 2nd, 2022 at 1:30. Each party is going to pay their own attorney fees through notice of entry of today's judgment. Mr. has an outstanding award to pay my client attorney fees for previous litigation, as well as 1/2 reimbursement for medical expenses, and that would be through May 2nd, 2019. And he will pay my client $5,000. And Ms. Taylor, did you get a chance to see if you could pay that today?
Yes, we did. We discussed doing it in 2 payments. One on the this upcoming Friday, and then one on the 17th, which is 2 Fridays from now.
Is that acceptable to you? Are you good with that? $2,500 on this Friday, and then $2,500 on the 17th?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Anything further?
We actually, Judge, what we'd like is a 60-day status conference
Okay,
or status check, just to make sure that we have the PC order in line,
okay,
that everybody's followed through.
okay, very good.
And we're going to temporarily maintain the timeshare, which Mr. has every Tuesday after school, or school's not in session at 9 o'clock, until Wednesday at 7.
And then we had also discussed adding an additional 4 hours, and Ms. Weil and I talked about, Sunday is not, available for Ms. So the additional 4 hours, if you're amenable, on Saturday would also, my client would also, let me try that sentence again. My client would love to have, Saturday, those additional 4 hours.
Well, Ms. Taylor and I have discussed it, and I'm sorry, Lauren, I thought our understanding was we're going to have that issue addressed by the PC, the additional time in the holidays.
The additional time, to be addressed by the parenting coordinator.
Yes.
Okay, good. So then but until the parenting coordinator can be appointed, would we be able to still have the additional 4 hours as previously agreed
Well,
on?
my client had, what I indicated to you was that my client was not opposed to it, but that she preferred Monday instead of Sunday. This child's like in activities every single day, so I'm not quite sure. This is the first time I heard Saturday.
Yes, I hadn't had a chance to touch bases back with you. So the Saturday was the other weekend option that Mr. and I had discussed.
Okay, and perhaps you and I can discuss that afterwards?
All right, perfect.
Okay,
May I say something?
Ms. Taylor?
Mr. If we could confer after the hearing.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So is it necessary to canvass the clients, or are you just gonna put this in a stipulation?
We'll put it in the stip in order, I'll prepare.
Thank you very much, I'm so pleased.
And just so everybody is aware that we'd like this effective immediately pursuant to EDCR 75.
Okay,
That's correct, Your Honor.
all right, so ordered. All right, good luck, everybody, good job.
If we can have a status check in 60 days,
Absolutely. Yes,
That date is November 17th at 11 a.m.
November 17th at 11 a.m. Thank you.
all
And
right,
we'll take that off calendar if everything's in place, Your Honor.
okay, sounds good. All right, thank you, everybody, good luck.
Thank you.
All right, court's adjourned.